Our planet is a place of constant change. Deep beneath our feet, immense forces are at work. Sometimes these forces burst forth with spectacular power. Volcanoes erupt, and molten rock called lava pours out onto the surface. It's a truly breathtaking sight. This fiery blood of the earth reshapes landscapes in dramatic ways. We witness the raw energy that built our world. It reminds us of the dynamic processes continuously occurring. This is a story of creation and transformation, written in stone. But not all lava flows are the same. Imagine two very different rivers of fire. One moves with a surprising grace, almost like liquid silk. The other advances with a ponderous, unstoppable might. These are the two main characters in our volcanic drama, Pahoehoe and Lobate lava. Each has its own distinct personality. Each leaves behind a unique signature on the land. Understanding them helps us understand the earth itself. They are nature's artists, painting new terrains. Let us look more closely at Pahoehoe lava. Its surface is truly remarkable. It often forms beautiful rope-like coils and twists. These are called festoons. Imagine a thick, dark syrup flowing slowly. As the top layer begins to cool and solidify, the still molten lava flowing beneath drags this skin. This dragging action wrinkles the surface into these intricate patterns. It is a delicate dance between cooling and movement. The ropes can be small, just a few inches across, or much larger. Pahoehoe forms when lava is very hot and has a low viscosity. This means it flows easily like water or oil, but much, much hotter. The temperature can be over 1,100 degrees Celsius. This high heat allows it to travel long distances from the volcanic vent. As it flows, the outer surface cools rapidly on contact with the air. This forms an insulating crust. Beneath this crust, the lava remains molten and continues to flow, often creating lava tubes. These tubes can carry lava for many miles. Now, let us turn our attention to lobate lava flows. These are quite different from their smooth Pahoehoe cousins. Lobate flows are much thicker and more viscous. Think of very thick, cold honey or even wet concrete. This means they don't flow easily or quickly. Instead, they move slowly, advancing in distinct, rounded sections called lobes. Each lobe pushes forward, cools, and then another lobe may break out from its front or side. It is a ponderous, almost hesitant advance across the terrain. The formation of lobate flows is linked to slightly cooler lava temperatures or perhaps a different chemical composition that makes it less fluid. As the lava extrudes, it forms a thick, blocky crust almost immediately. This crust is then broken and carried along by the slow-moving molten interior. The surface of a lobate flow is therefore very rough and jumbled. It's a chaotic landscape of angular blocks and rubble. Walking across such a flow can be incredibly difficult. It lacks the smoothness of Pahoehoe entirely. Interestingly, both Pahoehoe and lobate flows are usually made from the same type of rock. This rock is called basalt. Basalt is dark in color and rich in iron and magnesium. It is the most common volcanic rock on Earth. So if they are made of the same material, why do they look and behave so differently? The answer lies in the conditions under which they erupt and flow. It is a fascinating example of how the same ingredients can produce very different results. Nature is full of such surprises. Several factors determine whether a basaltic lava flow becomes Pahoehoe or lobate. Temperature is key. Hotter lava tends to form Pahoehoe because it is more fluid. The rate of eruption also plays a part. Faster eruptions can favor Pahoehoe. The gas content of the lava is important too, and crucially, the rate at which the lava cools influences its skin and internal movement. Even the slope of the ground it flows over can make a difference. It's a complex interplay of these physical properties. These different lava flows tell us incredible stories about our planet's geology. They are direct evidence of the molten rock that exists beneath the Earth's crust in the mantle. By studying their composition, texture, and the way they are distributed, scientists can learn about past volcanic activity. They can piece together the history of a region. Each flow is like a page in Earth's diary, recording an event of fiery creation. These are windows into the very heart of our world. Ultimately, the spectacle of Pahoehoe and lobate lava flows reminds us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of Earth. Our planet is not static. It is alive. Volcanoes are one of the most powerful expressions of this inner life. They build new land. They release energy from deep within. Whether smooth and ropey like Pahoehoe or thick and blocky like Lobate, lava flows are a fundamental process in the Earth's continuous cycle of creation and renewal. They are a truly awe-inspiring display of nature's power.